Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can now claim your advent calendar rewards in Plants vs. Brainrots. So this is day 1 of it. You have about 24 hours till the next day comes, obviously. So today's December the 1st. It says day 1 ending in 23 hours. Claim today. You're just going to go here and you're going to claim it. And you are going to choose an ornament. I want to choose the grape one because this one looks kind of creepy. So I'm just going to choose that. You get more than that. You can also get the ones here. Once you've completed every ornament and you've claimed everything, you'll get these final rewards, which is the Partridge in a Pear Tree seed and Christmasini Treeini and size potion. You get 2 of those. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!